Good morning, it's Christina with Greenleaf Property Management, and I'm here in the Northeast, just off Memorial, kind of in between Marlborough and Penbrooke Park. A great little home here, so let's get started. All right, so front steps, and you have this great front closet space. And as you walk in, you have your main floor two-piece bathroom. And then we have stairs, kitchen, basement, and living. So let's start with the living room. Okay, so that's a large 3-seater couch. So you can kind of get an idea of how big that wall is. A working fireplace. It's a real fireplace, which is, I think, amazing. And then we have some boxes, a 2-seater, a table, a lovely backyard. So let's just have a look out here. So you have a deck and some grass. And then the TV. So if I stand over here, just kind of give you an idea of that space also. So it is quite large in here, really nice floors. All right, so we'll go into the dining area. So please keep in mind these tenants are in the process of packing up and leaving. And then we have the kitchen. So lots and lots of cupboard space, which is really great. All right. In this unit, there is no dishwasher, but there is a microwave. And then also you can utilize the space at the top. Okay, and in here we do have a utility closet with additional shelving. All right, so we'll head upstairs. Now obviously the home will be cleaned and completely empty. Okay, so we have one bedroom, a second, the master, and the bathroom. So let's start with the bathroom. So this is your full bath. Little medicine cabinet there. And just show you shower head. Across from the bathroom is a nice linen closet. And then we'll go into the master. So this is a really large room. In this little area here, you could easily fit a king, and you'd still have lots of room. I believe this is a double or a full. I don't think it's a queen. And then out the window, you can see again more of the back. So if I just turn around, you have a lovely fan and light, and then lots of space here. So there's a chair, there's a desk, and a double dresser. So you can really get a sense of how large this room is. Closet is walk-in. There's lots of room in here. So there's a hanging bar there, and then shelves, and then floor space also. All right, so we'll go into this bedroom. So obviously smaller. And there's closets. I'm not going to open the closets. I don't want to move their belongings. You could fit a double or a full in here. I believe that's what the mattress is. And you would have enough room to walk. And if you moved it away from the wall, you would still have enough room to put a nightstand on that side, and you'd still have room to open up your shelves. A queen or a king would not fit in this room. And then the third room. So this is bigger, obviously not as big as the master. This box spring, I believe, is a double or a full. So kind of gives you a sense, kind of. You could do a king in this room along that wall. You could also do a king along that wall, but then you would be limited with the amount of space, and you would not be able to close the door because the door would swing into where your bed would be. Queen, absolutely. And then, dressers and nightstands. So there's a closet, really good sized closet. Really quite deep. All right, so we'll head down to the basement. So there are numerous boxes already being packed. So it is a bit tricky to see the size. But if you can use a standard box to help guide you, you'll get an idea. Okay. So this space here, you could really do anything with. You could put down some mats and make this as a workout room. That would be fantastic. And it's all open. So banker's box, we know the size of a banker's box. And then we have 2 standard boxes deep over here, and then additional items and belongings. Shelving unit, and washer dryer, and understairs storage. So this room is really quite large. It's like all of the basement is quite large. And obviously again it will be empty. And that's the home. So if you're interested in an application and proceeding with leasing, please do send me an email at Christina@greenleafpm.ca. Have a fabulous day.